Assalamualaikum. I'm Nahi Al-Wasi. Now I'll talk about importance of English. English is an international language. It is an family language too. We need English to communicate with others correctly. If you want to go in abroad, or if you go to abroad, you have to learn English properly, correctly, and perfect pronunciation. If you want to talk with one another, you need English. And we need English in our life, in a school life, or a good job. We have to speak English correctly. We have to write English correctly. We have to write a word, a sentence, a paragraph, or anything in English correctly. If you want to read an English book, you need to learn English first. And if you want to watch any movies or any cartoons in English, of course, first you have to learn English. If you don't learn English, you can't understand what they're saying. If you need English, if you want to get more marks in exam, of course you have to learn English first. So that's why I learn English from Mohsin Smart English Learning. Thank you.